Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
I don't want that guy to come out here and talk and stuff and say nothing ugly, man. No problem, man. No problem, man.
Yeah, but you two channel?
Yes, sir, I do. Pull it. Yeah.
Gotcha. What is it?
Yeah, what is it?
They'll check you out.
Definitely check you out. I'm sure. I appreciate it, man.
Yes,
Y'all see I be getting on some big ones out here.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, man.
That's you. Show some love.
I appreciate that, guys. Y'all drop a comment and let me know I met you guys.
I got you.
You come out here often?
Yes, I do. Appreciate you guys, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. You get to see all the places I go. Have y'all been to the place in Groundsland yet?
No, sir.
Man, some huge bass in that place, man.
Wow.
Crappie, they catch crappie out there 3 pounds.
How about that?
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Yes,
Oh my goodness,
I
guys.
got you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that, guys.
Yes, sir.
Nah. I've been trying to find places too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, man, y'all need to follow me there.
I
You
got
see,
you.
you
Hope
can see some
you ready
places.
to see you again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
man.
awesome, man. Keep up the good work.
Hey, appreciate you guys,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man. Y'all see that, guys? Got 2 subscribers, guys. I appreciate
Trying to
it.
get a third one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you trying to get a third
Man, y'all want to introduce
one.
yourself?
I've been doing it for I'm Ahmad.
You Ahmad?
Ahmad. Yes, sir.
All right, who's this guy walking down there?
That's Justin.
Hey, what's up, man? Now, who's this guy?
Josh.
Man, appreciate it. I'm going to put y'all on if y'all don't mind, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I caught a few. I just left ECU. I caught a 6-pounder and a 3-pounder.
I saw that video.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a big video.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I got them on right there.
Okay, that's what you're talking about, the lip disc.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you know my secret. They'll bite this one. Seem like they won't bite nothing else, man. But you have to swim it real low at the bottom.
Oh, yeah, unless you want to.
He thought about going down my spot down on Plymouth Street, but we about to go.
Yeah, we've been doing pretty good with crappie, but today I don't know what's going on.
Oh, okay.
Well, they have that time too, man. So, yeah. Thanks for looking at my stuff, man. I appreciate you.
I subscribe.
Thank you, man.
All right.
Really appreciate that. I'm Clyde.
I'm James, by the way.
Nice to meet you, James. Man, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the support, man. I try to keep them going, but this time of the year, man, they get rough. Well, I was catching last week, man. I couldn't even make a video with them.
Really?
Yeah, aggravating things. They were big ones too. Yeah.
I see you got your camera up there. You be making videos.
Yes, sir, I do, man. Yeah, I do. The fellow there just told me, man. He said, watch your stuff. I was like, cool, man. Leave me a comment. Let me know I met you. All right, guys. See, like I got on my first one. Let's see if we can get him up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Be still, buddy. Be nice. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, out here fishing at River Park North. This place is not hard to find. And boy, the fish is on. Just got here maybe 10 minutes ago. Got my first one on the lipless crankbait already, guys. Let's get him loose and get him back in the water. All right, guys, let's get you back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that. Come on, bass. Got, uh-oh. Oh, this might be a bass. Oh, man. This might be a bass, y'all. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. I believe this is a bass. Just don't pull like no shad. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. If it's a shad, he foul hook, but it feel like a bass. It's a bass. This is a bass. This is definitely a bass. And it's a nice one. Yes, it is. Oh my God, it's a bass. It's a bass. Let's get this boy up. Come here, buddy, come here. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on here. Oh my goodness. I got to get him up. I got to get him up. I got to get him up. Only got him by one prong, but it's in the corner of his mouth. So I should be able to get him out the water. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Y'all see all I got to go through, but I'm gonna get him on that bank right there. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, look. I hope I can get him out of there. Come on, buddy. Come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at him. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, my goodness. Let's get a weight on this guy. Oh, throwing in there with those shad paid off, guys. I am excited. I am excited. Five. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. North, I'll let y'all see it. Look at that monster. It's a pretty nice fish. Let's get him off. 5'5". Look at the size of this. Good gracious sakes, y'all. Nice bass. All right, buddy, let's go. Thanks for visiting. Yes, sir. Just go. Oh, man. Oh, look at this big white perch. Oh, my goodness. Now, this right here is a big white perch. What you call them, white bass? White perch, man, this thing is huge. Foul hooked him. He out there running with them shad. Yup. Hey, big white perch, guys. Let's get him back in the water. Happy New Year to you, man. White perch biting, shad running all over the place. Good gracious. Y'all look at the size of these shads, y'all. Let's get them all, get them back in the water. Hopefully this might be a bass. Don't feel like it. Nope. Another shad. Let's get them off.